In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite carrot soup. It's so creamy, thick, hearty, and incredibly nutritious. I'm sure you'll like it. So to make this, you need those 10 ingredients. Carrot, roughly chopped. Potato, roughly chopped. Onion, finely chopped. Spring onion, thinly sliced. Unsalted butter, heavy cream, water, salt, black pepper, and cayenne. I like this simple carrot flavor, so I decided to go with no herbs or spices. So in a large pot, add the butter, onion, and spring onion. Cook over medium-high heat for 8 to 10 minutes until wilted and sweetened. Sufficiently sauteing those vegetables makes a huge difference in flavor, so don't skip this. After 8 minutes, those vegetables have wilted and look something like this. And now throw in all the rest, which are water, cream, carrot, potato, cayenne, black pepper, and salt. I like adding potatoes into any vegetable soup as a basic ingredient along with butter and cream, which gives the soup an extra creaminess and body, making it much better. And bring it to a boil over high heat. Once it starts to bubble, turn the heat down to low, cover with the lid and start simmering for 30 minutes. At this point, it might smell a bit grassy, but don't worry, it disappears in no time. And now, 30 minutes have passed. The vegetables should be soft enough to blend, so using a hand blender, blend it until completely smooth. Once that's done, some part of the carrot and potato might still be bitter, so continue cooking over low heat for another 10 to 20 minutes or until it sweetens and thickens up. So after 15 minutes, mine has reached the desired consistency. It's nice and thick. And believe it or not, it's done. It could be simpler, right? Plate this up, garnish with some spring onion, and ready to eat. Try it out. It's so creamy and thick, sweet and savory. Although I haven't used any chicken or vegetable stock, it does have a sufficient depth of flavor and it's delicious. It should be one of the best ways to eat carrots. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next one.